This is our 4K media player. It's a player which is Autostart and plays your 4K video on your screen. For instance, in our example, 24-inch BenQ 4K. It has now 3 inputs for press buttons. In this case we have capacitive touch buttons. Capacitive touch buttons. I will press it. Then another video will start. When I press again, another video will start. When I press again, another video will start. This time we use then the capacitive touch button, but we can also use like this, just a normal plastic button or a steel button. The length of the buttons are normally about 30 to 40 centimeters, but we can do it customized size. The 4K player model has on-off switch, reset button, power, SD card to play content, HDMI, earphone, USB to play content or USB 3.0, or for the output for the sound, it's optical output sound. Here we have the inputs for the press buttons and the remote control eye. The housing has strips, so you can easily attach it to your retail display. It's all auto start, so when I put the power down and power it up, it all starts automatically, and we'll show the looping video. And if you want to press the buttons and directly play the video. Now it's loading, and then there comes the video. This is our 4K media player with press buttons. Thank you for watching.